Hello team, this is Romeo the Professor. So I'm in my portfolio symmetry dashboard. For if you're new and you're looking at this, if you just look at the swap, it's the symmetry swap. First you have to go to swap.symmetry.fi right here. And then you need to have a wallet, preferably a phantom wallet right here. Once you create your phantom wallet, you'll be able to buy coins off swap.symmetry.fi. Okay, so I'll go back over that again, but I want to go back to my dashboard. So at the highest point, my account about a day ago was around 119. Now it's at 101. However, this is my portfolio I have in my account. I have Tulip, which is negative 15% now. I have about 49,000 in it. I have Step, which is about negative 13. I got 30,000 in it. Saber, negative 19%. I got 13,000 in it. And Solana is what I use to feed all this, which I have about 4,000. And then Sunny is the new kid on the block. So I'm going to feed Sunny. So I click on Sunny. And if you look, Sunny was right here, right at 0.066 cents. That was yesterday. And then it went all the way up to 18 cents, about a good 200%. And then now it's at 13 cents. Okay. But if you look for the week, it was right on September 6th at 3 cents. And it's been there for a long time. Okay, from the month, you'll see it's a new coin. Okay, it started right around August 11th, and right now we're in September 10th. So it's only about a month old. It went up here 9 cents, and then it dropped 5 cents. So it does 50% drops. So I'm expecting a 50% drop. So if I look at the 24-hour, I'm okay. All-time high right now 18, and right now it's at 13. So I'm okay if it goes to 9. Okay, so I'm going to buy it with my Solana token right here, and it says Sunny, and I'm going to do 16. I click swap, and I'm waiting. Now, as it swap, it's going to ask me to confirm, but let me show you my phantom wallet right here, and I have the Sunny governments right here, so I'll press approve. Now you see it's Sunny, I only have 1,600. You should see it should go up. That I should have more where it will flip a little. Let's see, let's wait. My name is Romeo the Professor. If I'm moving a little fast, don't worry, I'm gonna slow down and show you a little. So my, it should have flipped already. Okay, I think it went through. Did I press swap? It's generating. Maybe I did it again. Hold on. I think I probably double bought, but I'm okay if I double bought. That's no problem. Let me make sure. Transaction not generated. Wow. Give me a second. Let's make sure I see everything. 108. Okay, cool. 16. Yeah, so let me do a little smaller. Let me do 10 and see if it'll generate the transaction. I apologize, but you have to be patient and your transaction not generated. Let me go back to dashboard. Let me do it here. Maybe I have to transfer it to USD. I might do that. 5. So let's see if it goes this time. I might have to move my slippage tolerance to about 3. If I do, then it is what it is. I don't like doing that, but I might have to do that. Let's see if it goes through. Perfect. It went through. So if we look, so that means I got to buy small. So right here, Sunny, see it's already at 2,456. and I got Solana about 8,000, so I'm going to buy more. Okay, so it's finalizing the transaction. It's already happened here. So it says complete. Guess what? I'm buying 5 more because I want to buy about 15, but it looks like I have to do it 5 at a time. 5 at a time. So this is so that you'll be in the Solana ecosystem. Okay. You have to create a whole new wallet. You see how I preach Trust Wallet? Well, think of Phantom Wallet as the same. And you know how I preach Pancake Swap? Think of swap.symmetry.fi. What I'm on here, Portfolio Symmetry. It's the same thing. Okay? It's just one is for Binance Smart Chain, and this is for Solana ecosystem. So now it's 3,000. I'm going to buy more. I'm going to buy. So now I'm going to see if I could try 10, see if it'll do it. Let's see. It rejected it last time. It looks like it doesn't want me to buy that large amount. So 10 is about $2,000 worth at a time, but we'll see. It looks like it wants me to buy 1,000. Yeah, slippage error. So 5 is the maximum limit it wants me to buy at a time. Is it tedious? Okay, well, it's just something you have to do. You just have to do it. You have to be patient and do it. You know? So now it's giving me slippage errors. Why did I touch it? Okay, hold on. Just gotta be patient and do it. I'm glad I didn't have to slippage error. So I'm gonna chill for a little bit, do a little, show you what's going on. So as you can see, I have it right here. I'm going to build it up to 5,000. That's what I want to do. But in the process, this is the swap that I'm on here. And if I go to my dashboard, on the dashboard, once you connect your Phantom wallet to it, to the Symmetry, okay, remember, this is the website you have to go to, swap, S-W-A-P, swap.symmetry, S-Y-M-M-E-T-R-Y.fi. Then connect your Phantom wallet. If you don't have Phantom wallet, just put Phantom wallet in Google, and then you can only do this on your laptop, people. You cannot do it on a cell phone yet. And get the Phantom wallet. Then once you do that, then you'll be able to connect the dashboard, the swap, the histories, everything. Okay. So let's see if I could buy Sunny again, because you know it's a new coin, and I want to try to maximize as best as I can. Let's cross our fingers. Hopefully we don't get a slippage error again. Let's approve my Phantom wallet. Confirming normally within 10 seconds, I'll know, 5 seconds, I'll know if it gave me a slippage error, or it looks like it's going through. It's confirming. Let's cross our fingers. Okay, let's cross our fingers. And did it go through? No, it did not. I'm going to do 4. Swap, generate transaction. I don't want to raise my slippage, but I'm going to next. If it doesn't go through, I'm going to raise my slippage to 3%, and it is what it is because I want to buy it. Raising your slippage, you go to transaction settings here. This slippage tolerance, I just have to make that to 3. Let's see if it went through. No, I still have 3,000, so it didn't go through. Transaction not guaranteed, so I'm gonna do what I told you. Slippage up. I'm going for the gusto. 10. Now let's see if it goes through. I approve. Let's see if it goes through. Confirming transaction. See, I raised my slippage. It went through. So you see how it says 4,900. Okay, so I'm going to buy with all my Solana. So I'm going to put about 3,000 in USD and then buy with all of the Solana. So high warning, high slippage. I know. So let me switch this back to 1. Okay, and then Solana, let me buy USD. Let me buy half. The reason why I'm using USD is because that's a stable coin. So if I put that in a stable coin, if the market's dropping, because the market within the last 8 hours, not the market, the Solana ecosystem, the coins I am, dropped about 15%. So as you can see, all these negatives, it says 14,000, about 15%. So that's why I loaded up this stable coin right here. Now it's 2,600. So what I will do is in the next 7 hours, if the market drop another 5%, I'll be putting $500 in Tulip. I'll just be loading Tulip. 500, 500, 500, 500. Okay. So that went through. Now I got 15 Solana left. You know where I'm gonna put it? Put it in Sunny, but I'm gonna put only 10. I'm gonna put 4 because you know the slippage. Let's see if I could if it'll go through. Okay, so you see how I take my time and slippage error. Let's see if I can go to 2. So now it's 2. It's right here. Well, let me see if it'll let me do 10. Trying to do 2,000. Let's see if slippage 2 allows it. Proof transaction, we'll know in 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, balance. Whoa, high slippage. I know, confirm a transaction. It's done. Okay, so now, Sunny right here is at 6,000. And so now I have my stablecoin 2,000, my Solana right here 1,000, just chilling. So now I just relax and see what happened. Okay? Good. So my name is Romeo the Professor. Go to dashboard. These are the performing coins that's doing good right now, last 24 hours. We have Sunny, Fab, Port. The bad in the Solana ecosystem is BOP, 90% negative, Rope, negative 20, Saber, negative 21%, which I'm going to buy Saber right now because I have it in my portfolio. See? So I'm going to buy $300 worth. My slippage tolerance is back at 1.1%. And so I'm going to approve this. You don't want to have too much coins. You want to be able to have at least $5,000 in each coin before you jump to another coin. If you cannot have that, then you just stay in one coin and you just keep buying it. So as you can see, Tulip, I have about 49,000. Step, I got 30,000. Saber, I have 13,000. Sunny, I got 6,000. So as you can see, I'm not jumping into any other coin until I can feed the coins above 5,000 plus. Now, Solana, that's what I use. So I have to send Solana here to my Phantom wallet. Okay, so that's why I always have Solana. Okay, so let's look at it. Phantom wallet. Okay, we got my Solana. All right, it says I have wrapped, so I'm going to spend this wrap, so let's see it. So wrap, so full. I'm going to go heavy into step. I'm maxing it out. I don't like wrap, so let's see if it goes through. $400. reps, so probably